systems in our body stop working together smoothly. That's one of the reasons older adults struggle with pain, inflammation, cognitive decline, and other ailments of aging, for which doctors often prescribe dangerous and addictive pharmaceuticals. They also recommend lifestyle remedies, such as exercise, good diet, and stress management. And while all these improve the system, it is only fractionally and over a long time. But here's the game changer. The system can be restored faster using hemp-derived CBD.
Now, it's not just CBD or hemp-derived or cannabis-derived cannabinoids that are therapeutically beneficial, and rightly so. Exercise is the number one thing you can do to improve your health, your body. Your endocannabinoid system can be altered by your exercise habits. Same goes for your diet, same goes for your sleep. So your whole body responds to all of these good activities that you're essentially feeding it with. And I'd say the trick and trap that most people get stuck into is that they think they need to consume something to sort of replenish something that's missing, but a lot of the time it's our behaviors and general sort of lifestyle factors that affect our health more so than anything, more so than any one product that we can consume. But it's looking good so far, I've got to say. It's very interesting. Just really interesting for me to see some of this research in the super mainstream at the moment. So we'll keep going.
When the system is restored, pain subsides, sleep is improved, and stress is reduced. When the system is restored, disease progression can slow down, and years are added to your life, as well as years spent in good health. And 20% of seniors are already using CBD today for pain, arthritis, cancer symptoms, sleep disorders, Alzheimer's, and
another great topic, another great point.